Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into perilous. 9 adjectives with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Precarious, which means uncertain. Precarious. For example, the club's precarious financial position. Number 2. Desperate, which means of a situation extremely serious or dangerous. Desperate. For example, his finances were in a desperate state. Number 3. Dangerous, which means likely to cause problems or to have adverse consequences. Dangerous. For example, it is dangerous to convict on his evidence. Number 4. Hazardous, which means risky. Hazardous. For example, we work in hazardous conditions. Number 5. PARLOUS, which means full of danger or uncertainty. PARLOUS. For example, the parlous state of the industry. Number 6. Treacherous, which means of ground, water, conditions, etc. presenting hidden or unpredictable dangers. Treacherous. For example, a holidaymaker was swept away by treacherous currents. Number 7. Critical, which means of a situation or problem having the potential to become disastrous. Critical. For example, the flood waters had not receded and the situation was still critical. Number 8. Risky, which means full of the possibility of danger, failure, or loss. Risky. For example, it was much too risky to try to disarm him. Number 9. Hairy, which means alarming and difficult. Hairy. For example, it got very hairy when we ran into some troops guarding the border. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.